We've never mentioned it before, but with this one software, you can make $600 for free. It's available on both iOS and Android, and downloading them is completely free. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you two other apps that have nothing to do with the third one. The first two apps will simply pay you to install them, so now you know how to get the best results and make the most money with this software. So I'm going to show you those two apps, and then I'm going to show you a third app that we've never talked about before, and that will pay you $600 for free before we move on to the next video. Welcome to the Search Money, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell to be informed every time I publish a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below heading back to the video. Before proceeding to the website, you must first create and have your own PayPal account, so go to paypal.com paypal.com/ and sign up for a completely free account by clicking this link. Simply fill out the required information and log into your own PayPal account. If you don't want to use that option or do so, you can open your own bank account online by searching for online bank accounts in my country on Google and signing up for a completely free account on the online banking website. But first, I'd like to show you a couple of different apps that will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone, and then you can focus on the last topic I'm about to show you, where we can earn over $600 for free. By then, you'll have these two apps providing you with a passive income for free. Yes, the first two applications will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is download them. After that, I'll show you the third app, which will pay you $600 for free. MoneySap.com is the first site we'll use. This is their official website, but we'll just install the app directly onto a smartphone device. Basically, how this works is that it's a free app that allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by the system and customers. As I previously stated, this is the first time we've mentioned it on the channel, so make sure to stick around until the end. Make an account and you'll receive some odd messages. You don't have to reply to those messages because they have no value, they're just numbers that you know, and you can delete them as soon as you get them. However, you will be paid for each and every SMS that you receive, so no work is required. All you have to do is sign up for this app, and every day they'll send you new text messages, and as I mentioned, you'll be paid for each message. Read more about how it works, but keep an eye out for the next website, which is only for Android users. They'll work on both iOS and Android, but this one, unfortunately, only works on Android. If you don't have an Android device, you won't be able to make any money with the Money SMS app because only Android allows you to read text messages. All you have to do is download it and get paid for receiving text messages by their money-making app. This demonstrates how safe their software is, since it does not access any of your data, even private chats, and only reads their own text messages. As a result, they won't steal or read your communications. I've done a lot of research on this app and people are really happy with the amount of money they're making with it and how the system works because, as you can see, it's completely automated and you can earn money with the app without having to do anything. They also have a really nice referral program where you can earn 30% of your referrals earnings if you refer a friend to this app and they sign up once they start making money for a month. This SMS app is completely free. You will never have to pay for it because it will always be free. You can read more about how it works here. So basically, sign up for automatic text messages and get paid for free. Here are some images of how the dashboard and app appear. I'm going to install the app, and this is how it will appear. This is your referral code, which you may share with your friends and family. You can also post it on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram with numerous Facebook groups regarding making money online, educating them about the app's potential for passive income, and then providing them your referral links so that you may continue to earn passive money from your referrals. As you can see, this app offers a lot of useful functions. Is this a ripoff or a genuine opportunity? If you're not sure if they pay their users, you can verify the evidence of payment for many of them on an independent website right here. They take all essential precautions to ensure that they adhere to the newest GDPR privacy policy standards. You can learn more about them on this website, and you can see that people are making money from it as well. Before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you like the video so far, And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's time to return to work and start earning some money. Returning to the video, the next step that you can do to earn some free passive money is to go to cashmagnet.com. Obviously, the app name is just a cash magnet and you install it on your Android phone again. This only works for Android, but keep watching because the last app will be available for both iOS and Android. And I'll give you something for free at the end, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you can get money from your Android phone that pays you for every minute. As you can see, you don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all of the top reward programs you want to play, so this one is going to pay you a lot more than the Money SMS app. So we're going from the lowest to the highest paying out. You can read more about it here. You don't have to do anything, so just watch advertisements or play games. Earnings will come in while you sleep or do something else. You could be eating your lunch or drinking out. Just do that every day and you'll still be paid for installing the software and putting your phone out there. So after only a few months of working the Cash Magnet, you'll be able to buy a fresh new phone that works for you around the clock. This is how tens of thousands of their satisfied customers do it. So you can essentially receive a new phone every 2 months, and they ensure that your data and personal preferences will not be misused in any manner. Make money from your phone by doing nothing. You can find out more about the cashmagnetapp.com by visiting their website. This is an Android app that will allow you to earn some extra cash when you are not using your phone. Simply leave it out there with the app installed and you will be earning passive cash with no effort on your part. If you don't want to put it on your personal phone for whatever reason, you may be able to use another device. Simply download the software to that old phone and it will generate passive income for you. You don't have to use it at all if you leave it out there, and if you put it on as many devices as you have in your home, you can earn even more passive income. It's also completely free again. There is no need to pay for anything now. The last app we'll be using is this one right here. I'll tell you the name of the app in a moment. All you have to do is download this app on either iOS or Android, which is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. So there will be no complaints in the comments that it only works for Android or only works for iOS, because this one works for both, and you'll get paid just for listening to music. Install the app and listen to music to earn additional points, and the more you play and listen to music, the more money you'll make. So you can browse and play from over 100,000 radio stations to find and listen to your favorite music while also getting paid to do so. So you don't have to listen to some random music from SoundCloud that you don't even like. You can actually listen to music that you enjoy and still get paid for it. You can earn points by listening to your favorite music, spending your points on your favorite brands, and much more. As you can see, this app is available in many countries, and you can download it to your smartphone device and start earning money right away. As I previously stated, this app is available in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Simply look for the current software in your Apple Store or Google Play Store and learn more about it. And that's it. If you like similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment.